Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mental health is a very personal and sensitive issue. Therefore, in an era where mental health awareness is getting more attention, it is very important to protect the privacy and security of medical records. This is where we come in. Let me introduce my team. My team consists of me, Ivan Setiawantoro, and my friends Sufi Nur Aldesa and Aura Fitria Maharani. And we are from Department of Mathematics Universitas Diponegoro, Semarang. We want to present our paper with the title SafeSol Mental Health Startup Innovation, based on strongly clean ring crypto system for enhancing medical record security. This paper is the application of algebraic structure, especially cryptography. To illustrate the urgency of this issue, let's consider some urgent facts and recent news that highlight the current situation of mental health problems and the urgent need to save solutions.
Mental health is a condition of well-being that makes it possible for a person to solve life's pressure, develop their potential, learn, work, and contribute to their community. Many people with mental disorders also find themselves subject to stigma, discrimination, and human rights violation, which often discourages them from getting professional help. As a result, many people are shifting to online mental health platforms in this digital era. However, there are some concerns about online consultation, especially about privacy regard. That's why we are here to bring innovation in technology and information. We are an innovative startup, namely SafeSol, that provides mental health service through a digital platform offering stronger security.
SafeSol uses a more complex data security system with modern crypto system algorithms based on algebraic structure. In mathematics, we study an algebraic structure known as ring. In this crypto system, we use a strongly clean ring.
So, a ring is a set with two binary operations, which are addition and multiplication. A set with the addition operation forms an abelian group, and with the multiplication operation forms a semigroup. Additionally, the addition and multiplication operation satisfy the left and right distributive law. The first feature is the homepage. If you want to book a session with our psychologist in relation to your issues, you can log in if you already have an account or register for an account first.
After you log in or register an account, you will be directed to the About page. On this page, you can see your personal information. Additionally, on this page, you can view the schedule you have made with the psychologist that we have provided.
Next, on the services page, we will provide some of the best psychologists in their field. So, our startup innovation will collaborate with many psychologists. Then, patients can choose a psychologist and coordinate with their schedule.
On this page, we will provide some information about mental health. Then we can become more aware of our mental health and make better decisions of it. The information in this page will be updated with If you have any questions about our service or need any support, our startup will provide some information about our email, phone number, and location. So you can visit this page and send your message to our email or phone number.
You can see a replit from the Zapsol website. You can log in first before accessing the website. For example, I log in as a psychologist with the username Dr. Michael. So, Michael. You can input the password, so click login. One of the features on the Zapsol website is encryption. Here, patients can safely express their problems or tell their stories because it uses the end-to-end principle with a strongly clearing crypto system. Create new room. New room name is consultation. I add patient, for example, Bob. Create room. The process of encryption and description in the chat room can be seen here. When I enter the word hi, with encryption key, this one, send message. This is end-to-end encryption process. This one is original message or plain text, and this one is ciphertext. We use key, this one. So we can describe message, this one. Process work as follows. For the encryption process, the plain text denoted by P is hi. The character H in American source code is at position 72. Can be expressed as 71 plus 1, where 71 is the unit element and 1 is the idempotent element on the set of integer numbers modulo 256. In American source code, the sum of unit and idempotent can be expressed as binary code, this one. Similarly, the character I and exclamation mark can also be expressed as the sum of unit and idempotent element. For the next, we can transform based on American source code, this one. Assume the key denoted by K is this one. The encryption process is denoted this one. In the encryption process, this is the encryption of character H. We can write this one. Use the K defined by this one by using XOR operation. The result of XOR operation is this one. After that, a left rotation of 3 bits is performed. The 3-bit left rotation the 3-bit left rotation is this one. In hex notation, we have 6D5S. Next, this is encryption of character I. Then we obtain that the ciphertext of I is 1D56, and this is encryption of exclamation mark. Then obtain in hex notation as ciphertext, we have 5D54. The character I and exclamation mark are used in the same way as the character in encryption process. For the decryption process, we have this ciphertext. We divide it into 4 ciphertext characters. Memory 6D5F, 1D56, 5D54. The character 6D5F can be expressed as this binary code. 1D5F, 1D56 can be expressed to be a binary code, this one, and 5D54 can be expressed to the binary code, this one. Assume the K denoted by K, and this K is used for decryption process. We can express the decryption process as this one. Decryption 65F. First, convert 65F into 16 binary code, this one. To return the plain text message, the first step is rotate using 3-bit right rotation. We obtain this one. Next, the result of the rotation is combined with the sum key used for encryption process, namely this one. Using XOR operation, then obtain this one, which is split into 2 binary bits representing the value. This one representing the value 71, and this one representing the value 1. 71 plus 1 equal to 72 because it uses strongly clearing crypto system, which where each character is represented as the sum of unit and idempotent, and satisfy u.e equal e.u. with U as the unit element and E as idempotent element, we obtain the character H based on American source code, which is the plaintext. Next, the decryption process for 1D56 you can see on the screen, and the decryption process 5D54 you can see this one, which is analog to the decryption process for 6D5F. Therefore, the plaintext is high can be written ciphertext. This one can be transformed the character thus the plaintext is high can be written thus the plaintext is high. So you can see that the ciphertext is this one can be transformed to the plaintext character is high.
The SafeSol startup innovation was developed in response to the urgent need for privacy protection in digital mental health platforms. With the urgency of mental health issues, online consultation service has become an important alternative. However, the use of digital platforms can cause patients to feel unsafe about sensitive personal data being hacked, which can damage public trust in this service.
To solve this, SafeSol uses a crypto system based on algebraic structure, specifically strongly clean rings. By using elements in the set of integer numbers modulo 256, representation as A equal to U plus E relates to ASCII or American Standard Code for Information Interchange, where U is a unit and E is idempotent for any A that is an element in the set of integer numbers modulo 256. This system creates a more secure and complex crypto system algorithm.
This aligns with the privacy principle in Indonesian Code of Ethics for Psychology. Therefore, SafeSol is hoped to strengthen patient data protection and keep the public feeling safe. That's all from us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.